Yet another day of rain. It's very dark and miserable. It's been raining since yesterday afternoon. It's never really let up. There's not a lot we can do in this weather. But we got a nice surprise, didn't we, Mal? We want to thank Bill. We want to thank Bill, who's been really kind. Yeah. And Matthew wants to thank him too.
Say thank you, Matthew.
Thank you, Matthew.
Say thank you.
Thank you. So we're waiting for some good weather so we can get out.
No. Just introduce Chris Matthew. Hello, Daddy. I'm wake up.
So we've got some really, really lovely, generous friends.
Yes.
And one of them is Bill.
Yeah.
And John Donacci. And Don Lesky.
Yeah.
And Emily.
Yeah.
And they've been really kind, really lovely.
Thank you po.
So Bill wants you to get your hair done, and he wants me to.
Joking.
I know you were, baby.
Thank you.
And he wants you to. Sorry, he wants me to buy you some flowers.
No need.
Yeah. And I need you to say it because she doesn't like the idea of spending money on flowers.
You don't need to spend money.
But if it's chocolate, that's
right.
That's different, isn't it?
One bouquet of chocolate.
Yeah. So we're going to get our little man some diapers and maybe some more clothes, aren't we? Eh?
Yeah. Say thank you, Matthew. Thank you po. Just closer. Just closer. Yeah.
All your grandmas and granddads out there, look. Aunties and uncles. Yeah, you've got lots. Lots of people want to see you getting bigger. So guys, it's just a short video to show you the weather's not very good. There isn't a lot we can do, and we wanted to thank Bill.
Yeah. Thank you very much, Bill.
Because he's been extremely kind, and we really, really appreciate him.
Yeah, when I said to you about my hair, no, I'm just joking only.
I know you're baby, but people looked at the video and thought you were being serious and are going, oh, get us some flowers. And
you're the one who knows about that.
Yeah, no, should not cut her hair. But you want to get your hair what?
Rebond my hair.
Rebonded?
Yeah, rebonded.
And coloured?
Yeah, it's color yellow.
Yellow, yeah, alright.
No, just
yeah.
It's black. I'm about transformation on December. My hair.
Yeah, we'll do it in December. So how are you since you've had the baby then? Is your stomach going down?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's getting better.
And then I noticed about Matthew.
What?
There's a lump.
There's a lump?
No. Here. Wait lang. On his chest. Where is it?
Where is it?
It's gone. I see it here.
There you go then. It's nothing bad if it's gone. Because bad lumps don't go, they stay there. You're trying to scare me to death or what?
No, I noticed to have a lump here.
It's gone now though.
I think it's normal. It's gone. Here. Hold it.
Well, I can't even see it.
But before, it's obvious, but now.
Well,
Isn't it?
still there in a couple
You
of
feel
days,
it?
yeah.
Yeah.
Still there in a couple of days, we'll have to take him to the doctors.
Yeah.
Yeah. So that's it then, guys. Until the weather picks up, we won't be doing a deal, will we, baby?
Yeah.
So,
Again, thank you very much, Bill.
thank you. Say bye.
Lions roaring in the morning sun, searching for a longer day. People feeling like the light has just come. We must never stop the way. Birds chirping